Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed for exploring the depths, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, specifically the EVO standard model. This isn't just a simple underwater camera, it's pitched as the ultimate marine exploration tool. Right off the bat, the headline feature is its immersive 4K video recording capability. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, this drone promises to capture stunning footage, offering what the manufacturer calls an unparalleled viewing experience of the underwater world. Imagine seeing vibrant coral reefs or mysterious shipwrecks in crisp, clear 4K detail. One of the key aspects for any underwater vehicle is its reach, and the EVO standard doesn't disappoint here. It boasts an extended operating range thanks to its substantial 100-meter cable. This allows users to explore significantly deeper areas than many consumer-grade drones might permit, coupled with a robust remote control system for reliable operation at that distance. Durability is crucial when dealing with challenging environments like the ocean. This drone is built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius. This suggests it's designed to handle various climates and water conditions, adding to its reliability as a serious exploration tool. Powering these explorations is a long-lasting battery. The drone is equipped with a powerful 9,000 mAh battery, providing up to 4 hours of continuous exploration time. That's a decent amount of time to cover a significant area or focus on a particular point of interest without needing to resurface frequently for recharging. For operation, it features intuitive FPV or first-person view. This means users get a real-time feed directly from the drone's camera, allowing for precise navigation and observation. The FPV operation relies on seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring a smooth and responsive control experience. Physically, the drone measures in at about 15 by 13 by 5.6 inches. It comes in a clean white color. The package includes the necessary components like the battery and the camera itself. While the brand is listed as generic, the specifications suggest a capable device aimed at serious underwater enthusiasts or professionals. The inclusion of a robotic arm, though not detailed in the specs provided, is a significant feature implied by the name, suggesting capabilities beyond just observation, potentially for interaction or sample collection. It's designed for adult users looking for an advanced tool for marine exploration. Overall, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm EVO standard appears to be a robust and capable device, offering deep exploration, high-quality imaging, and reliable operation for those serious about discovering what lies beneath the surface.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.